Meaning of Indo-European.
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 Indo-European. The term Indo-European refers to a large language family that includes many of the languages spoken in Europe and parts of Asia. This family of languages is characterized by shared grammatical and phonological features, which suggest that they all evolved from a common ancestral language. Some of the languages that belong to the Indo-European family include English, Spanish, German, French, Russian, Persian, and Hindi. The identification of this language family has been an important tool for understanding the historical relationships between various cultures and languages, and continues to be an area of active research in linguistics.